Akshat, today I will discuss with you nutrition in amoeba, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
First of all, we will discuss nutrition in amoeba, then we will revise human digestive system, okay? This is a very small topic and this is very easy topic, nutrition in amoeba, okay? What is amoeba? Can you tell me what is amoeba? Okay,
Ma'am, I don't.
okay. Today we are going to learn about nutrition is amoeba. First of all, we should know what is amoeba. Amoeba is a green colored slimy substance. What is this? Green colored slimy substance. A slimy microorganism. Slimy microorganism is very small. They are very small organism. Okay, which you
Yes,
mainly
ma'am.
see in rainy season. Okay, they are green colored slimy microorganisms. Okay, we will read about how they
Yes,
get their
ma'am.
nutrition. See, they are irregular in shape. You can see them. This is, they don't have a rigid structure. They are irregular in shape. What they eat? They eat small plant. The food for amoeba is a small plant. Food for amoeba is small plants, which you can say phytoplankton, means very small plants they eat. Now the question is, how do they eat? I have already told you they are irregular in shape. You can say they are very irregular. They are protruding from this side, they are uneven. Okay, so suppose this is the food. Okay, now what they will do, these food like structure present in amoeba is called pseudopodia. See this pseudopodia. Okay, pseudo means false, podia means feet. Pseudo means false and podia means feet. Getting it, Akshat? So,
Yes, ma'am.
why we are saying that this is false feet? Because this is not the real feet of amoeba. This is just a structure which get transformed into feet-like structure when food approaches them. See, the food is approaching towards the amoeba. Now, what is happening? This foot-like structure is going to encircle the food particle. See, these two food will be joined and the food particle will get inside the amoeba. Now they see this food particle is getting inside the amoeba inside a small bag like structure, a pouch like structure, and this structure is called food vacuole. What it is called? Food vacuole. What is vacuole? Vacuole is an empty space. And see, this is an empty space inside which the food is getting. Okay, this is the empty space inside which the food is getting inside. So now what will happen? See, understand the term. This from here, when the food is taken inside the amoeba, this process is called ingestion. Similarly, as in human, we take food by our mouth. The process is called ingestion. Similarly, the process of ingestion in amoeba occurs with the help of pseudopodia. Getting, Akshat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Pronounce with me. Whenever one will ask you, name the organ in amoeba which helps in, uh, let me, organ in amoeba which helps in taking up of the food or which help in ingestion of food, what you will say? What you will say? Pseudopodia. Okay, because pseudopodia is the false feet-like structure which is helping in taking the food inside the amoeba. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is happening? Now the food is getting packed inside a vacuole-like structure which is called food vacuole. What it is called? Food vacuole.
Food.
Food is getting packed inside the vacuole-like structure which is called food vacuole. The digestion of the food will occur here only. Okay. The food vacuole contains digestive enzymes. Now where the most of the digestion will occur. Okay. So the digestion of food
Yes,
occurs
ma'am.
inside food vacuole. Whenever one will ask you, name the structure where digestion of food occurs inside amoeba, you will say food vacuole. Okay. Now what happens? These digested food get absorbed here in the cytoplasm of the amoeba. What is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is the jelly-like structure present inside body of amoeba. Okay. The food is getting absorbed here. Okay. Getting
Yes,
my
ma'am.
point? And what is assimilation? Assimilation is formation of new food particle, new food nutrient. Whatever food nutrient an amoeba requires, it is getting manufactured here in the cytoplasm only. And again, the digestion takes with the help of pseudopodia. The vacuole will come out with the undigested part. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the whole flow chart depicting the process of digestion and nutrition in amoeba. Getting my point?